FET, I'm $1.2 million in position, in the FET position. Let me show you here. I am 1.3 million. How it comes? I'm already $1.3 million in position. 76K in profits right now. Where's my liquidation price? 99999999999. It means no in Germany. So the nice thing is we broke outside of this symmetrical triangle where a lot of people was anxious. I don't think it's a valid pattern. However, we broke outside. Here you see it. The only danger is we closed the weekly inside still. You see, we have a wick. This was only a wick, but we didn't close the body outside. But it's not a valid pattern, in my opinion. Also because I don't want to believe in this pattern. But what I'm much more believing in pattern, if we are going on the daily right now, we watch on the weekly, is this falling wedge. The price target falling wedge is the top of the wedge, which is exactly, which is exactly at $1.73. And this is also what I think we are heading to, because again, if we are zooming further in, if at the 4 hourly, we see we are perfectly bouncing right now at Fibonacci 0618 at $1.40, and the most important, the golden ratio is $1.78, you see, which is in alignment with the price target of the top of the rising wedge, which is the price target, and also with this massive support and resistance line, which goes back down, back to August 2024, which was a massive support line. You see it here, support, and it would go into a resistance line, which we can easily break to the upside and go to $1.30. Why? Because on the big picture, as soon as FET start pumping, as soon as FET broke the previous all-time high, you see the local all-time high, as you see it here, for example, there was no drop at all. You see the next weekly candle, we are watching every candle represents a week. We never saw not even a little bit breakdown. We just saw straight up. So this was a straight up of over 522%. Okay, to be exactly, we have to measure also the week. If we are going to measure also the week, it was around 600% pump in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles. If we see again 6 green candles and see pump of over 600%, then let it be 300%, we would see FET at $4.89. And can you believe $4.89? It's easily, if Bitcoin hits also 100K, if we are going to, if we are speaking here about 600%, we would land here at around $7.50, which would be crazy. So if this also, I don't know, should I take profits? Tell me, should I take profits here at $1.74 or 78? Because if I taking here profits at $1.78, I mean, look at this. If I taking here profits at $1.78, how I cannot go crazy here about this? Tell me how I cannot go crazy about this. If we are taking here at $1.78, $1.78, it would be $318,000 profits. But if I miss out, if we see further pump, if we see further pump to $2.15, for example, if we see pump at $2.15, it would be $640,000 profits. $640,000 profits. Can you imagine? Then I would have I would miss out a $300,000 profit. And the price targets anyways at $10 at least, it would be $7.5 million. You see what I mean? What to do? Because what I'm thinking, imagine if I take now profits, but then the price drops again to $1.33, which is not only Fibonacci 382 on the day, on the weekly, but it's also here one of the here to Fibonacci 382 also on the daily, and is also, if we are going on 4 hourly, it's one of our biggest supports. You see here in the previous, you see we saw a break here to the upside, this very fast break, and then we bounced very often on $1.30. So what I'm thinking, I'm taking here profits here, and then it bouncing back to $1.40 and $1.30, and then I have $300,000 made. What to do? I don't know what to do. Tell me about this. We see also we have a lot of liquidity at $1.80, a lot of, you see this yellow, the more money is here, which market maker tend to chase. Not much money left down below. only, as I spoke, $1.30 is the magic mark here. We see here at $1.30 a lot of money sitting, which again, we're thinking, should I take profits and re-enter at $1.30? You see here a lot of liquidity. But then I'm anxious, what if we're not going down there and I miss the entry? I don't know what to do.